Ever wondered why falling in love feels so good? Almost like a drug. It's not just poetry, it's pure brain chemistry. When you fall head over heels for someone, your brain gets a massive rush of a chemical called dopamine. This is the same neurotransmitter that gets released when you eat your favorite food, win a game, or listen to a song that gives you chills. It's the brain's way of saying, yes, this is good, do it again. This dopamine surge floods your brain's reward circuit, creating an intense feeling of pleasure and motivation. You feel energetic, euphoric, and laser-focused on the person who's causing this wonderful commotion in your head. It's this powerful chemical reaction that makes the early stages of love feel so incredibly exciting and all-consuming. Your brain is essentially rewarding you for pursuing this new relationship, hardwiring you to want more and more of that person. So, why does love sometimes feel like an obsession? Again, it's all about that dopamine, but it's not just dopamine. Another key player is serotonin. Interestingly, when you're newly in love, your serotonin levels can actually drop. Lower serotonin levels are often associated with obsessive-compulsive behaviors. Think about it. You can't stop thinking about them. You check your phone constantly for their messages. You replay conversations in your head over and over. This is your brain on love. This combination of high dopamine and low serotonin creates a perfect storm for obsession. You're driven by the pleasure of being with them while simultaneously feeling a compulsive need to focus on them. Your brain essentially hijacks its own systems, prioritizing this person above almost everything else. It's a powerful and sometimes overwhelming cocktail of chemicals that makes you feel like you can't live without them. This isn't a sign of weakness. It's a fundamental part of our biological programming designed to help us form strong bonds. Have you ever heard someone say they're addicted to love? Well, they might not be far from the truth. The brain pathways that are activated by romantic love are incredibly similar to those activated by addictive substances. When you're in love, your brain's reward system, specifically the ventral tegmental area and the nucleus accumbens, lights up like a Christmas tree. These are the exact same areas that respond to things like cocaine and nicotine. This is why the intense craving you feel for your partner can feel just as powerful as a craving for a drug. Both love and addiction involve a cycle of craving, seeking, and reward. When you're with your partner, you get that dopamine hit and feel amazing. When you're apart, you might experience withdrawal-like symptoms, anxiety, sleeplessness, and a desperate longing to see them again. This parallel explains why a breakup can be so physically and emotionally painful. Your brain is literally going through withdrawal from the person who is its primary source of pleasure. Over the long term, the intense, obsessive phase of love usually mellows out. This doesn't mean the love is gone, it just means the chemistry is changing. As a relationship matures, the brain shifts from the frantic dopamine-driven state to a more stable, attachment-focused state. Two other hormones, oxytocin and vasopressin, take center stage. Oxytocin is often called the cuddle hormone because it's released during physical touch, like hugging and kissing. It promotes feelings of bonding, trust, and calm. Vasopressin is also linked to long-term pair bonding and protective behaviors. This chemical shift is what allows couples to build a lasting, secure attachment. The love becomes less about the thrilling highs and more about a deep sense of connection, comfort, and security. This transition is crucial for a relationship's longevity. It moves from an addiction-like state to a profound partnership, creating a bond that can provide emotional stability and support for years, even a lifetime. So, when we look at the whole picture, from that first heart-fluttering moment to a lifetime of shared memories, we see a fascinating journey happening inside our own heads. It starts with that wild, dopamine-fueled roller coaster, making us feel euphoric and obsessed. It's a state that shares surprising similarities with addiction, explaining why love can feel so all-consuming and why heartbreak hurts so much. But as the relationship grows, our brain chemistry evolves. The frantic energy gives way to a calmer, deeper connection, nurtured by hormones like oxytocin and vasopressin, which build a foundation of trust and security. Understanding this science doesn't take away the romance. If anything, it makes it even more amazing to think about how our biology drives us to connect with others so profoundly. Love isn't magic, it's chemistry happening inside your brain. It's a beautiful, complex process that helps us form the most meaningful connections of our lives. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this interesting, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights into the human mind. See you next time.